Welcome to my channel. And today we'll talk about SQL aggregate functions like count, min, max, average, sum, and how it is working and how and when we should use these functions. We'll just see one by one. So if you see this table in which we have few records and we have employee details like employee ID, name, their salary, and all. So we'll see how we can use these functions one by one. So let me first use count. So as you know, count will give us the record count of this table. So like we are getting 10 here because we have 10 records in this table. Okay. Likewise, if you want to see min function in Excel, that how it is working. So in this case, let me put min. As it name says min. Min means minimum salary. Since I'm putting this column uh, as a parameter in the function as salary, so it will work on salary and it will give me the minimum salary out of this employee record set. So if you see here, I'm getting 2500. So if you see from this place, 2500 is the minimum salary. Okay, but this min function works on strings also, like varchar also. If you see, like at it name says min, many of us just think about it. Okay, min is aggregate function that we can use with the numbers. Okay, but let me tell you, suppose I want to play this min function with name, emp name. Here it is returning the very first result. Okay, so it is not with the first, but it will play with the uh, alphabetical order. Okay, so if I'm putting min, it is returning this, the name which starts with a. Okay, and if I'll use the same function for max, let's see what it is returning. So it is returning sham which starts with s. Okay, so anyways, this is just for the purpose of understanding, but basically this min and max functions we use for aggregation purposes. Okay, but sometimes it can be used for any of this kind of string or varchar like columns also. Anyways, let us move to the max one. So for salary, suppose I'm using this max. If you see here, it will return the maximum salary out of this total employees records. Okay, so it is returning 4500. So yeah, 4500 is the max salary out of this. Okay, now if I go for the average, so how this average works, you must be knowing the formula for the average. What it will do, it will sum up all the salaries and then it will divide with the number of records in this table. So sum up all the salaries and then divide it by 10. Then this will be returned. That is 3470. This is the average salaries of all the employees. And then sum. The last one is sum. So as its name says sum. Sum is what? It will sum up all the salaries. It will add up all the salaries of this table. This is 34700. Okay. So as I was trying to put this min and max on different columns, like which is having varchar. So let us try to play on this different other like average and sum functions also. So suppose if I'm trying to put emp name here for this, what will happen? So since this average function works on different data type, like maybe that should be decimal or number only, okay? So it will not work on other than numeric values. Likewise, let me try to change here also a different column, that whether it is working or not. Again, no, it will not work on this data type. So this sum and average are basically meant for numeric data types only. So I hope you are able to understand these functions. Thank you so much.